Welcome! In this lesson, you will create a program using sensing blocks. In general, sensing blocks are used to allow scripts to detect what is going on. Let's start with a key pressed block. This block reports true if specified key is pressed. Now let's make a script that will let us control the cat character with arrow keys. Add one when green flag clicked block. Then add one forever block, because we want to control the cat at all times, not just for one cycle. Since we have 4 arrow keys, we need one script for each key. Therefore, add 4 if-then control blocks inside the forever block. Then add one key pressed sensing block and in the drop-down menu, choose up. Now, when we press the up key, we want the cat to go upwards. To do so, add one change Y by block from the motion category and set it to 20. Then duplicate the key press block and add it in all if-then blocks. The second block will sense the down arrow key. And when we press down, we want the cat to go downwards. Duplicate this motion block and set it to -20. Next, we will set the right arrow key. For horizontal movement, add one change X by block. Set it to 20. And lastly, set the left arrow key. Duplicate this block and set it to -20. The script is ready. We are now controlling the cat with arrow keys. And the script works flawlessly. Very good. The next thing we must do is add a mouse character. We will make a script that will make the mouse interact with the cat character. Add one when green flag clicked block. Then add one forever block. Inside the forever block, place one if-then control block. Now we have to decide under what circumstances the if-then block will work. Let's add one touching block from the sensing category. In the drop-down menu, choose cat. This block reports true if the mouse character is touching the cat. And when it does touch it, we want the mouse to teleport to a random place on the stage. Add one go to XY motion block. Set random X and Y values in the range of -180 and 180. Lastly, we want it to make a sound. Add one play sound block from the sound category. Click on SoundStat, go to Scratch Library, and choose Chi-Chi. In the drop-down menu, choose Chi-Chi. When the touching cat condition becomes true for the mouse character, the script makes the mouse teleportate to a random point on the stage. And it plays a sound. Let's make a cool addition to the program. We want the mouse to grow bigger as the cat gets closer to it, and shrink in size as the cat gets farther away. For this to work, we have to use the distance to sensing block. This block reports distance from a specified character, in our case, the cat. Now add one set size to block from the looks category and place it above the if-then block. Then go to operators category and drag the subtraction block inside the looks block. To make it work, we need to set a constant number from which the distance will be subtracted from. This will result in a number which will correspond to the size of the mouse. Place the distance block here and write 250. As you see, the shorter the distance between the characters, the greater the size of the mouse. The larger the distance from each other, the smaller in size the mouse gets. It is because you have to subtract a larger number from 250, resulting in a smaller size percentage. This was a fun exercise, and you learned a great deal more about the sensing blocks and how they can be used. 2 more lessons and we are going to make the final big game project. See you!